Alright, this will be the start of part 2. As a recap, I got all the wires ran, the light bars put on, lights hooked back up, all the wires in there, gauges, and I got the belts put back on. Now, one thing to cover when putting the main fan belt on, there's that set screw right in there. As you see, I got it lined up with a little flat spot in there. That flat spot, the set screw goes down into to hold this to keep tension on your belt. Now you don't want to put it where the threads are, because that could mess up the threads. But got the new alternator and belt, new coil put on, all new wires. So now we're just going to get to putting the wire loom on, making it look all nice and neat. And then when we get that done, we'll come back. Alright, we got the wire loom all put on. We got this side over there. Now it comes over to here, all the way up through in there. And I'm going to put that here. And up in there. That's pretty much going to do it for this project. Next thing is going to be putting the panels back together and everything else. Oh, and then when going from a voltage regulator generator to an alternator, you got to make sure you put your battery as negative ground, not positive ground. So alright, as you can see, we got the panels all put back on, all mounted back up. I let the seat tip back because I still got to get a new battery. I just put that back in there to kind of test things out. Everything checks out good, so next we'll kind of talk about chasing wires. Alright, for this you're going to need your multimeter. Check for continuity. I like to use the ones that have the audio signal, like that, because there's times where you might not be able to see the readout up here. Basically, you just pick one end, and then the other end that you think it might be, check it. Now to check for continuity, you need to use the ohm setting on your multimeter here. But the other thing you're gonna want to do is go back over here to the tractor. It's like the wires I was checking was one from the key switch up to the distributor. When I was checking, I was getting continuity on 2 of the 3 terminals, because the solenoid and And the coil was both grounded. So it didn't matter which one I checked, I always had continuity through it. So what I always do is I take, like in this case, I would take the wire off of here and then go back to the key switch and check it. Because then that way there you're checking just the wire. And I think that's all I got. So until next time.